Are you sick of your 3D prints coming out with imperfections or outright failing? Maybe you're new to printing and can't figure out what is going wrong. Perhaps you also hate the mere concept of boats so much that you can't stomach the thought of wasting filament on printing one. Fear not, dear maker, for I have the solution for you. Introducing the Tanky. The Tanky is an all-new 3D printer benchmark designed to put your machine and material to the test. Even though we are long past the days of spending hours or even days trying to get a good first layer on an Ender 3, modern printers still aren't always perfect without some tweaking. The Tanky packs in a wide variety of tests which, along with the included documentation, will allow you to easily and quickly spot issues and correct them before you waste material on a failed or imperfect print. Whether you need dimensional accuracy or want to get the cleanest print possible, one of these will cost you less than 10 grams of filament and could very well save you far more in wasted filament. I've already used the Tanky myself for a wide range of filaments and on various different printers to not just optimize filament, but to optimize the printer itself with my custom Ender 5 build. Start printing your army today by going to the links in the description to download the files completely free. Both STL and step files are included, and I encourage you to remix the design as much as you want. I hope the Tanky can help you on your 3D printing journey, and if you want to support this and my other 3D printing projects, check out ConeOfArc.store where you can buy a Tanky keychain or other tank-related products. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!